Welcome. Welcome back to another lesson. Okay, welcome back. Please do me a favor, like this video and share it with somebody. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. This is my third time recording this video because I had problems in the first two recordings. So to record this little 2-3 minute video, it's gonna take me 3 hours. So please, all you can do is like it and subscribe so I can know you appreciate it, and it will also help the channel. Okay, thank you. Let's get into it. Today we'll learn some Seben. Okay, we'll be learning some Seben today, and this is the easiest Seben bass line that you will learn in your life. This bass line. It's very easy. Let's get into it. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do. Do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do. So let's put it in a song. You see how I played that? So now we're going to, after you learn this, do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do. Now we're going to add the ghost notes. You know there is no Seben without this thing right here. So let's add it to it. Do, re, mi, fa, do, fa, do, re, mi, do. Alright, let's add it in the song. I will do it slowly first, and then I will do it at a regular speed so you can hear everything. Let's do it slowly. Where's the time? Okay. Let's do it slowly first. Just like that. That's it.